Dear children, this week we will do scenery drawing. First, put box margin. Down itself, leave little gap. Put lightly line. Then in this line itself, you have to start like this. Put little curve. Then you have to put a 3. Number 3, no. Like that you have to put. The same thing, opposite side also. See the same, and then here like the same number 3. Like this. Number 3 is reversely have to put. Next, in this part you have to join down. The same, this one also. Next, in this both edges we have to draw a small circles, both the side. Small circle and nearby big circle. Like that here also. Like this. Both the side like this, small circles. Then in this side, like this sharply, lengthy, you have to draw. Another one little bit big, like this. Next, here itself you have to put like this, simply zigzag, like a bushes. And this side also the same. In the circle itself, like this. Like after that, in this place 2 circles we done. No, here itself you have to put upwards 2 lines, like this. After this, in this line, simply like a waves you have to put, like this. Then in this side, here itself you have to start like a simply curve. You have to touch in this line. After that, this side you have to start like this, and then you have to finish it in this side. Bushes we draw no, here we have to finish. Next, another one line. In this first one we draw no, here itself you have to start and you have to finish it in this end, like a curve. First one here we put curve. After that, here one curve. Next, upper curve here we have to put. After that, in this place you have to put a circle. Not coming under, you can use a circle object. This curves and all, it will change, not the same design, you can change also this curves and all. After that, finishing the pencil drawing, you have to use sketch. This is the sun now, we have to draw with the orange sketch circle. This curves, use light blue color and the straight line also. This is like a water, you can put this one also in the book. Don't put this line, we have to erase the line. In this 2 line, middle, you have to put a up, small or big, like this, alternative lines. And then next, little bit down, here also you have to put like this, big or small, alternative, no need to same, like this you have to put. Next, down, put like this, like a simply curve. Next, you have to use for the bushes outline dark green. This rock and all no need to give. In the rock we have to give black outline lightly. After finishing the sketch, we have to erase the pencil lines. Now you can use crayons. Here itself we have to start yellow. In this part, you have to put simply here itself you have to give yellow color crayons. Here itself you have to give yellow. Next, after the sun itself you have to give orange like this. Put straight line. In this down places and all you can give the orange color. If you are giving orange, little bit it should come on the yellow color shade first we gave, no, there you have to give orange. Next you have to give red. Should come little on the orange also. You have to overlap the color and then you have to give. And use tissue paper. Only this parts only you have to merge the color. Simply like this you have to merge it. Only in the near the sun and down. After that, after merging, see this, in the sun only you have to give yellow. Now all the colors are merged now. Now in the mountain and all we can give dark blue. Only the down place like this. You have to give. I am giving no up and down like this in this edges only. Up and down like this you have to make it dark. Then after finishing like this, in this here you have to little bit you have to raise the line. Then each and everything like this, up and down like this. Then little bit you have to raise the color, not even, up and down only. After giving dark blue, in this upper parts, to give the light blue. You have to mingle with the dark blue. Don't put separate. In this part, it should mingle. See, after giving lightly, all the this two also mountain. Here also you have to give the same blue. After finishing the blue, in this rocks and all, you have to give grey. After finishing grey, in this bushes and all, you have to give green, little bit up and down, like the same blue. You have to give like this, up and down lines near the green sketch line. All the lines near you have to put like this. In this two part only, you have to give slipping line shade in this side. Not equal line, little bit up and down you have to. After that, now we can use light green. The extra parts you have to mingle with the dark blue. Do the light dark green, light green you have to mingle. And all the sides you have to give light green. After completing the light and dark green, simply you have to put line like this. Already we put dark. In this light green you have to put like this. In this side sleeping line shade, and this one slight line shade. Simply don't put very dark, lightly using the light. After finishing all the shading, next light blue for the waterfalls. See, lightly in this already we given with sketch. In this part only, simply up and down or down to up. You have to put line like this. In this part and lightly you have to give a white place should be there. Don't put very dark. Already we put sketch lines. Next, in this part like a slipping. First we put a straight line, here we put a sleeping shade. Like a water coming down. Here itself the same, how the line first we put the same shade here. All the side and all you have to simply wherever you need put a light. Don't fully cover and give the blue color. Little white place should be there. Like this lightly you have to give. Then only it's look like a waterfall. Now we finish the waterfall scenery. Like this you can create more sceneries. Like this waterfall also you can change also, you can draw, you can change the color also. Thank you children. Have a nice day.